Hello and welcome back to DDO Trades. Today's trade was a failed trade. I wasn't planning on taking a trade today because I had to go in to the office for work. So this is quite unfortunate, but it still ended up profitable, which is good, $1.76. We'll get into the trade here. You'll see why it's fairly unfortunate. So we are on the 30-minute time frame, and here right now there is a support level that was created after this 30-minute candle and a breakout of that support level on this 30-minute candle. So after that candle closure, I looked for shorts. I wanted to make sure that this candle could break at least at this point of this wick, which it did. But as you can see, and this time I have the short thing here, I only got $1 profit. So the question is, why is that? And I think the lower time frames really tell the story here. So let's go back to the 1 minute chart. So yeah, there you go. Beautiful. All right. So I entered the short here at the peak of this point, and I needed to go to work soon. And I wasn't looking at this 1 minute chart, just so you know, but I just noticed for a few minutes that my stop loss was about to be hit. I placed the stop loss based on this level here. That's what informed the stop loss. But yeah, my stop loss kept getting teased for a few minutes. And so I told myself, well, I have to go to work. If this gets to my take profit, I'm just going to set my take profit right up until break even. And I lost confidence in my trading plan. I thought this was just going to go back up, and I did not trust the process. I didn't stick to getting my stop loss actually hit. It was a perfect stop loss because it was never hit. And my one-to-one take profit, if I was aiming for a one-to-one, was gonna be hit. So that was the failed trade. Lots of FOMO with this one, and I really regretted it, pulling myself out, because just a minute later, as you can see from this candle, it broke through and it hit the level that I would have aimed at. I would have taken profits at maybe one-to-one and then let it trail. I actually just sized up one contract for this one, so I would have just gone out of the trade. I sized up just one contract because, again, I was going to work, and so I couldn't stay too long. And overall, it's been quite a bullish run, and so I wasn't too confident in taking shorts, but that was what the opportunity presented, and we took it. Either way, I'm still excited. I think this is a great start to my trading journey because I followed the plan, and it would have worked out had I been patient and let my stop loss do what it needed to do, and then maybe give my trade a second chance, or just let my take profit hit its take profit. So yeah, thank you for tuning in to today's video. We will see what we can come up with tomorrow, but overall, we are still up.